How to unlink Xbox from Discord. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, in order to unlink your Xbox from your Discord account, launch your Discord application. Once you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific Discord account where you have linked your Xbox account as well. Then you will see U icon on your bottom right hand side. Open it, tap on the gear icon, scroll below. Under account settings, you will see connections. Open it. You will see various like Xbox and Steam. If you have connected your Xbox account, you can simply toggle it off. In my case, if I go to my Xbox, it says link your Xbox account, meaning my Xbox account is already unlinked. But if you have already linked it and would like to unlink it, you can go ahead, tap on this Xbox icon right here, and untoggle a button that says link or unlink. And just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.